So then Kubja, so Krishna, she was, the sadhara, the ordinary, commonplace love, because, Krishna, he said, well, let me think. And then she pulled his dhoti. And I said, hey, come on. It's rated a Krishna book, man. She pulled, come on, come to my house. And she said, well, Krishna, well, what was that, Krishna? I don't know, I said, well, Krishna, then Sri Ram said, what do you get yourself into, You're just trying to do her a favor, now you're in a lot of trouble, She said, I don't worry, and I'll fulfill your desires, but just, a little bit later, okay? and then this is an ISKCON book. It's a Krishna book. Mathura Leela. No, you're not allowed to read the Krishna book. I was in one temple in Bengal, a famous temple in Bengal, that's without mentioning anything. Yeah. And I was giving a lecture in Bhagavatam, and then somebody asked me a question. Well, what if your Gurudev says you can't read the Krishna book? I almost fell off the Vyasa's side. I said, what? I said, I can't believe it. It was published in 1969. The Bhagavad Gita was published in 1972. Nectar Devotion was published in 1968 or 1970. Easy Journey to Other Planets was printed in 1959 in Delhi. And Prabhupada brought it with him, with the first kind of Bhagavatam. I said, really? Are you? There's like a couple hundred people. I said, are you serious? He said, yeah. I said, are you, and he was from that same mission. I said, I don't know, you better ask him. I never heard that. When I grew up, when Prabhupada was here and the ISKCON I joined, he sent a letter to the temple president, so we should all read Krishna book during prasadam and before we take rest at night. So we used to sit every time at noontime we take prasadam. I heard the Krishna book 1,000 times. They read the 90 chapters and they started the 90 chapters. They just kept going and going again, It was like, endless live. Like, a lot of days eating prasadam. Of course, you're sleeping, just busy eating, you don't hear half of it, but something goes in, Then, so I said, I don't know what you're talking about, really. He said, no, it's only for advanced devotees. I said, okay, I can't, I said, I can't really comment on that. And some people say, yeah, that's true. Some people were saying, so where am I? So this is a good stuff, Krishna book. So Kubja, she's so this is the whole idea of these other lilas is to show the love of Radharani.